Hello, my name's Arnold. Today I'm going to show you some cool cube stuff that I've been learning since the past few times. And I'll show you how I solved the cube in just a time. And I'll show you each step by step. Okay? So you can follow me and read your own. Also, I'll do one side too. I'll show you my record already. So my first one is, look. I need a favorite cube with that. No, I think I never solved it completely, so I'll solve it right now. And you can waste it because super quick. And also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a glove, because I got hurt from doing some karate today. And look, this is my first goal. You see, there's nothing around because I cannot fall down this stupid side. And this is one side. I don't know why it's called one side. But this side, I'll make two. I'll make two sides appear. It'll take kind of a while, as you know. So just be patient. I'll go you through the first one. The first one is you need to move the middle upwards, like this. And then you move this down one more time and another time, and you see this white orange. Now you need to fix the other side. That's all we fix. I'll use some clues. It's super hard to turn. Actually, now, how do I do it now? I think I forgot. So if you see this, I think you have to go down or something. Yeah, I think you have to do. That's how you solve the cube. And also, I have to show you something that has since past good. So look at my new hotel. It has a stuffy, a blanket, and some two pillows. And hello, Anika.
Hi, it's me, Anika. Sorry about the mistake.
Yeah, and as a voice kind of change, and like and subscribe, and let's get to 100 subs quicker, and more views.
We haven't got any but views.
Something.
This is a very old video, okay, guys? Can you pass me?
Okay, this is a very old one.
This will be for new password.
Yeah, really look. And also, this is my cube collection. It's just tree as you can see. And look, this is something cool. I have a watch, guys. My own cool watch. I don't know where the inside motor is, but I know I have one. And let's try to find it.
I know where it is.
Where is it? Wait, guys, try and wait. I need to do something. I think I found it, guys. This thing, and you saw backwards. That's a black tooth, as you know. Look. And also, you wonder why I'm still wearing the glove because it hurts so much. It's at my baby finger ankle. It hurts so much.
Arno, make a see-through shirt.
I cannot.
Make it, and then we can see which one's better.
And look, super cool. This is Anika's hotel. Does it look super ugly? Rate mine's 5 or Anika's 5 in the comments below. See you guys. Bye.